I'm Bits.
And I'm Bobs.
Who are you? Oh, so that's you. Now it's time for Trug.
Trug was made to be a toy, packed in a box for a girl or boy. Then he saw the open door, so off he chugged to see some more. Trug, where are you going? Can we come too? Trug, where are you going? We'll chug along with you. Trug then stopped to pick up stuff, flipped his lid and he popped and fluff. Trug then whizzed and did the jump, balls of fluff, comets and bobs. Trug, where are you going? Can we come too? Trug, where are you going? We'll chug along with you. Bits and bobs are coming too, to chug along with all of you.
Whee! Up, whee! And down, whee!
I like whizzing up and down.
Oh, me too, Bobs.
Now what shall we do? I know. Let's do some nosing.
Oh, yeah, but what shall we nose?
Well, I can nose you.
And I can nose you.
Let's nose! Nose, nose, nose. Nose, nose, nose. Nose, nose. Oh, now what shall we do?
Oh, no, there's nothing left to do.
Oh, yes, there is. Trug spotted something. Come on.
Oh. Whoa, what's that?
It's sort of sandy coloured.
Is that the beach?
It looks sort of crinkly.
Well, that was easy.
Bits, we...
I mean, normally we take ages finding out what things are.
yeah, but...
But this time we just guessed it straight away.
Bits!
Yeah?
We haven't guessed what it is.
Yes, we have. It's a beach. Oh, that's not a beach.
Might be a potato.
Yes, a potato, that's what I said.
Bits, you don't even know what a potato is.
Yes, I do. A potato is an animal that turns into a butterfly, and that's what it is.
No, Bits. A potato is what you eat for your lunch. And a caterpillar turns into a butterfly.
That's a caterpillar, that is, isn't it?
Ugh, badoing.
That'll turn into a butterfly any minute now.
Sometimes, Bits, I think your brain needs a good fluffing out.
Funny looking thing.
Might be a rattle.
Yeah, a rattle. Oh, let's boogie on down.
But its shape is a bit like a jelly baby.
A jelly baby? What's a jelly baby?
You know, those wee sweetie things.
A sweetie? Oh, that's a jelly baby, that is, isn't it?
Oh, now I'm not sure.
Well, what is it?
I don't know.
Well, if you don't know and I don't know.
And if I don't know and you don't know,
Do you know? Oh.
Hello, Bits and Bobs. I know, it's a peanut.
A pea what?
a peanut.
What's a peanut?
That thing.
Oh, look out, Bobs!
Oh, I've been nutted. Oh, what a funny wee thing.
What's it like to nose, Bobs?
Nose. Oh, sort of squiggly.
Oh, let's have a go at squiggling the peanut.
Here you go.
Oh. Nose. Nose. Oh, it's all squiggly and round. It feels all squiggly and bumpy.
Hey, do you think that's what peanuts are for then? Squiggling.
No, I think they're for nosing into the cubby hole.
Hey, great idea, Bits. Let's nose the peanut into the cubby hole.
Oh, yeah, I'll ping it to you.
Okay. Hey.
Nose, nose, nose. Oh, there. Now, so is that what you think a peanut's for, Bobs?
It could be. Who knows?
But where do peanuts come from before you nose them, or whatever it is you do with them?
Where do peanuts come from? Oh, I don't know, Bits.
Well, if you don't know and I don't know,
And if I don't know and you don't know,
let's puzzle it with you. Red, green, yellow or blue, which is right? It's up to you.
Red says you find peanuts growing on the ground.
Is that right? Green says you get peanuts out of a tap.
Is that right? Yellow says you find peanuts in a cabbage. Is that right?
Blue says you find peanuts in dirty socks.
Is that right?
Red, green, yellow or blue, which is right? It's up to you.
Red.
It's red! So, you find peanuts growing in the ground.
That's a funny place to find them.
We're off again!
Oh, we're trugging along. I wonder what we're spotting. Oh, we're trugging along. I wonder where we'll go. Oh, we're trugging along. I wonder where we're stopping. Oh, we're trugging along. I wonder, do you know?
Doopy doop, doopy doopy doopy, doop doop, doopy doop.
Finding out the names of things, puzzling what they do, guessing where things come from. We'll be going there with you. Doobie doobie doo! Oh, we're trugging along. I wonder what we're spotting. Oh, we're trugging along. I wonder where we'll go. Oh, we're trugging along. I wonder where we're stopping. Oh, we're trugging along. I wonder, do you know? Oh, we're trugging along. I wonder what we're spotting. Oh, we're trugging along. I wonder where we'll go. Oh, we're trugging along. I wonder where we're stopping. Oh, we're trugging along. I wonder, do you know?
What's that? I know what that is.
I bet you don't.
Yes, I do.
Oh, no, you don't.
Yes, I do.
Okay, what is it then?
Well, you see, it's one of those... I don't know.
See?
Okay, then what is it?
Well, it looks like a shiny knob.
A shiny knob? Oh, I suppose it does. That's a knob on a washing machine, that is, isn't it?
The machine that washes clothes.
Yep.
Oh. That's a funny knob, Bits.
I didn't mean a knob, actually.
No?
No, I meant that was a horseshoe.
A horseshoe? I suppose it is a horseshoe shape, isn't it?
Clip, clop, clippity, clop, clip, clop, clippity, clop, clip,
What are you
clop,
doing, Bits?
making horse noises.
So, that's a horseshoe, isn't it?
Nay! That's not a horseshoe. It's a crocodile.
A crocodile?
Yeah, with big, strong, snappy jaws. Snap, snap!
Oh, you mean we might get nibbled?
Yeah, crocodiles like to nibble at fluff balls. Snap, snap.
Are you sure it's a crocodile, Bits?
Well, no. I don't really know what it is.
Well, if you don't know, and I don't know,
And I don't know and you don't know.
do you know?
I know what it is. It's a nutcracker.
A nutcracker! Bits, you told me it was a crocodile.
Well, I thought it was a crocodile.
Oh. Look out, Bits!
Oh. Careful, Bobs. It might bite.
Bite?
Yeah, well, look, see? The top bit has teeth.
Oh, yes. Sharp teeth.
You know what, Bobs? What? I think the nutcrackers are dangerous.
Really? They don't look that dangerous.
That's because they're asleep. But when they wake up,
What?
they'll nibble us.
Oh no.
Hang on.
What?
Well, this is a peanut,
Yeah?
and, those are nutcrackers.
Oh yes. So, what have the nutcrackers got to do with a peanut?
Must be something. Dunno what, though.
Nor me.
Oh, but I think we're about to find out.
Way!
Hold on to your bits.
Oh, we're trucking along. I wonder what we're spotting. Oh, we're trucking along. I wonder where we'll go. Oh, we're trucking along. I wonder where we're stopping. Oh, we're trucking along. I wonder, do you know? Oh, we're trucking along. I wonder what we're spotting. Oh, we're trucking along. I wonder where we'll go. Oh, we're trucking along. I wonder where we're stopping. Oh, we're trucking along. I wonder, do you know? Oh, we're trucking along. I wonder what we're spotting. Oh, we're trucking along. I wonder where we'll go. Oh, we're trucking along. I wonder where we're stopping. Oh, we're trucking along. I wonder, do you know?
Hello, you two.
Lots of peanuts. So what are they going to do with the nutcrackers?
Hey, they're cracking the nuts with the nutcrackers.
And look, there are peanuts inside the shell.
Now, what are they doing with the peanuts?
They're putting them into that wire thingy.
What is it?
Another one here. Right, I think that'll be enough. We'll take this out now to the garden and feed the birds.
Where are they off to?
Put it up here. I have to put it up high out there so the cats can't get it.
So they've hung the peanuts in the garden.
Look at the birds.
They're eating the peanuts.
There's two on the ground.
Look up the washing line.
There's
One up there, one up there.
Oh, Bobs, that wire thingy must be a bird feeder.
Clever Fluffball.
Thank you.
Hey, so you use peanuts to feed the birds.
Oh, I want to have a nibble with the birds. Let me out, Trog. Woo! Tweet, 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 tweet.
Silly Fluffball. Bits thinks he's a bird now.
Tweet, 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 tweet.
Come on, Bits, calm down. Stop going nuts.
Oh dear. Nibble, 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 nibble,
Get
nibble,
off!
nibble.
I'm not a peanut, and you're not a bird.
Sorry, Bobs. How about Fluffle?
Nope.
Please.
Oh, all right.
Nose, nose, nose.
Fluffle, fluffle.
Fluffle,
Oh,
fluffle,
stop it.
fluffle,
Oh,
fluffle.
look. Truck's flying off again.
Oh,
Bye. Hold on to your bits and bobs.
Where are you going? Can we come too? Truck, where are you going? We'll jump along with you. Bits and bobs are coming too. To jump along with all of you.